What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Sunday. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala'S, currently sitting at 0.0215, down 1.4 on the day. Same market cap of almost 600 million, 24-hour volume, 27 million. So a couple scenarios. Looking at BTC, we may go through a WXY. If that does happen, then I would expect a lower low for Gala in this alt 5. So basically, let me zoom out so it all makes sense here. Here's a bear market low, wave 1 to the upside, coming down in the wave 2 and an ABC correction. Within the wave C are 5 waves, so the alternative scenario, wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback. There's the wave 3. See, it says alt 3, wave 4, come down in a lower low in a wave 5 before bouncing. Still within our target zone, this large target zone for the wave 2 pullback, which is right here. If Bitcoin comes down, that's what I think what will happen for Gala. But if BTC can see a straight breakout, just bouncing off the minimum target, the 38.2, we do have an impulse to the upside. If that were to take place, then Gala can see a straight breakout from our target zone. For the smaller wave count, the micro count, wave 1, ABC into a 2. If we hold the 78.6, if you start to break 0.0211, that's your first signal of creating the lower low. But if BTC were to see a straight breakout, then Gala can bounce from here and see continuation back to the upside in the wave 3. It's very possible if Bitcoin were to see a straight breakout. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. We're currently in 3 trades. We have 3 positions. As you can see, this is a daily chart, bear market low, wave 1 to the upside in the wave 2 target zone. So even if we create that lower low, it's okay. We're still in the healthy wave 2 zone before seeing the bounce get back above those daily EMAs. It all depends on BTC. If we break this bullish level of 43.8K, then I would expect Gala to see the straight breakout scenario. However, if we just continue to go through the WXY, we don't break those highs, we start to roll, then I think there's a good chance Gala creates that lower low in the alternative wave 5 before continuation back to the upside. All right, gang, we're currently in 3 Gala trades right now, as well as a trade for XRP VeChain and ADA. Firstly, make sure to sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. No KYC, no VPN, easy sign up. You can also check out my full length tutorial. If you want access to my signals, it's only 10 USD per month. Sign up through the Patreon link. My daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in multiple trades, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place just for 10 USD per month. You spend that every single day. Make sure to check out BTCC, all links down below. Check out my full length tutorial. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.